Ah, yes, the Puppuccino. These things are everywhere. I see people all the time on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok giving their dogs Puppuccinos. But are they actually good for dogs? The answer is no. If you look at it, Puppuccinos are made of heavy whipped cream and sugary syrups. These together can lead to chronic diseases in dogs like pancreatitis. But thankfully, there is a much healthier alternative: natural Greek yogurt. Natural Greek yogurt is full of probiotics, it's a great source of protein, and they're full of calcium. So make the switch from puppuccinos to Greek yogurt today. Your dog will thank you. And as always, follow the page for more dog nutrition hacks.